Hey everyone, and get ready to meet your new AI sidekick. I'm talking about Claude, and it's not just any AI, it's been supercharged with some truly groundbreaking features that are about to seriously level up your workflow. First up, say hello to research. Imagine having an AI that can autonomously dive deep into the web for you. Claude can now conduct multi-step web searches, meaning it doesn't just stop at the first result. It builds upon each query, intelligently refining its search to bring you really comprehensive answers. And the best part? Everything comes with easy-to-verify citations, so you know where the information is coming from. But that's not all. Claude is now seamlessly integrated with your Google Workspace. Think about this, it can now access your Gmail, Calendar, and Docs. This opens up a whole new world of streamlined tasks. Need to quickly summarize a long email thread? Claude's got you. Want to pull out the key action items from your meeting notes in Google Docs? Claude can do that too. And finding that one crucial document buried in your drive? Claude can retrieve it for you in a snap. Go check it out and let me know in the comments how it's revolutionizing your workflow.